Dear students, the topic of my today's lecture is spinning triangle and its effect on yarn properties. As we know, the turns of twist in the yarn are generated at the traveler and travel against the direction of the yarn movement of the drafting arrangement. Twist must run back as close as possible to the nip line of the rollers, but it never penetrates completely to the nip because after leaving the rollers, the fibers first have to diverted inward and wrap around each other. Accordingly, at the exit from the rollers, there is always a triangular bundle of fibers without twist, which is called spinning triangle. By far, the most end breaks originate at this weak point. The length of spinning triangle depends upon the spinning geometry and upon the twist level in the yarn. In this diagram, two types of spinning triangles are shown. First one is short spinning triangle and this one is long spinning triangle. A short triangle represents a small weak point and hence few end breaks. But if the spinning triangle is too short as shown in this diagram A, then the fibers on the edge must be strongly deflected to bind them in. This is not possible with all fibers. Some edge fibers escape the twist effect and are lost as fiber fly. Others may be bind in, but at one end only. One fiber end then projects from the body of the yarn, which is therefore hairy. On the other hand, a long spinning triangle implies a long weak point and hence more end breaks. However, a resultant advantage is that the edge fibers are better bound into the yarn, which gives a smoother yarn and less fiber fly. Now this third diagram shows the side view of the front roller nip, the inclination of the drafting arrangement. If the drafting arrangement is mounted with a relatively low inclination, then the angle of deflection at the delivery rollers will be large. This will give a long spinning triangle with its advantages and disadvantages. With a steeper inclination and large angle, the deflection angle is small and the spinning triangle is short. The inclination of drafting arrangement in modern ring spinning machine now lies between 45 degree to 60 degree. It is very often 45 degree. This is all about spinning triangle and its effect on yarn properties. Thank you.